In this video, you will learn how to manage a thing group. Please note that this is part 2 of thing group videos, so we would advise you to check out part 1 to get the full knowledge. When we are in the Monogoto portal, let's select Things Groups from the function belt. Most of what we can see in a thing group has been covered in Thing Group Part 1 video, so feel free to check it out. In case we have many thing groups, we can use the search bar to find a group. To use it, enter a word from a group name and press Enter key. The search will filter to show only groups that have our searched word in the name. In case you want to see more detailed information about thing group SIM cards, you may press the Expand button. In this expanded information window, you can see information about SIM card data and SMS usage, triggered alarms, and alarm locations on the map. In case you press on Settings and then select Edit, you will be directed to the SIM card thing menu. This is an example of how a SIM card thing menu looks like. If we want to delete a thing group, all we need to do is press on a trash bin button. If we want to edit or make additional settings in a thing group, please press on the Edit button. In Thing Group Edit window, you may first notice Group SMS amount, triggered alerts, usage, and available things amount. Available things are SIM cards that have no assigned thing group. Usually this number should be 0. In the left top corner, you may see a button that can be used to manually change our thing group icon. Then we may notice that we can make changes to general thing group settings like name, description, and security profile. Roaming button may be used to make restrictions on operators that SIM cards in this thing group can use. To learn more about this function, please see a separate video on roaming restrictions. Radio profile button will open a menu with advanced configurations for radio settings. You may use these fields to configure webhooks. In short, webhooks are a way to inform the other applications that a certain action has happened. In case you have available things, you may use Assign More Things button to assign those SIM cards to this group. When we scroll down, we can see APN Networks configuration. You may use this section to add or remove APN networks for this thing group. The last thing we can see is a table that shows a list of SIM cards that are under this thing group. In this table, we can see the SIM card name, data, and SMS usage. To save our made changes in a thing group, please press on button Save and Close. You should see a notification informing you of a successfully saved thing group changes. Thank you for watching.